Looking for the best carpet cleaners of 2023? Look no further than this comprehensive video guide. Our team of experts has tested and reviewed the latest models to bring you our top picks for the most effective, efficient, and affordable carpet cleaners on the market. In this video, we'll break down the features and benefits of each carpet cleaner, including cleaning power, ease of use, and overall value for the price. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, heavy traffic areas, or just want to freshen up your carpets, we've got you. Number 8. Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 Commercial Carpet Cleaner. The Rug Doctor Carpet Cleaner is a professional-grade cleaning machine that offers powerful cleaning capabilities in the comfort of your own home. The model has not been tested in the cleaning lab, but it has earned the highest rating from the Carpet and Rug Institute for its soil removal, water removal, and gentleness. With its large solution and dirty water tanks, you can spend more time cleaning and less time refilling. The machine also includes a hose and handheld attachments for cleaning stairs and upholstery. It is available for rent at a fraction of the cost, making it a great option if you don't want to own or don't have adequate storage space for your own carpet cleaner. However, note that the machine is heavy to maneuver and only works on the backward stroke. Number 7. Hoover ONEPWR Spotless Go Cordless Spot Cleaner. The cordless Hoover carpet cleaner is a must-have appliance for keeping the upholstery and carpets in your car clean. Its lightweight and slim design, along with its 2-feet hose, make it especially suited for reaching and cleaning all the nooks and crannies of a car's interior. The machine is effective at removing sediment stains and odors, and it includes a 4-inch scrubbing tool for deeply embedded dirt. The removable battery charges in under 3.5 hours and works in other Hoover ONEPWR appliances. Its smaller tanks make it lightweight and easy to maneuver and store, although it does mean you'll need to refill them more frequently. The included cleaning solution is ready to use without mixing with water. Number 6. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. The Rug Doctor Carpet Cleaner is a powerful machine that effectively removes both stains and odors. It scored the highest in tests for removing both fresh and old stains. Its large tanks can hold up to 64 ounces of cleaning solution, which means less refilling and emptying during large or multi-room jobs. The machine is heavy when full, but it has a retractable handle and large wheels for easy maneuvering and storage. Its 4-feet stretch hose makes it possible to clean an entire staircase, and the nozzle has rubberized bristles that grab hair while removing stains, making it ideal for homes with furry friends. However, the machine is louder than some other portable models, and it received just a 1-star rating from Quiet Mark. Number 5. Bissell CrossWave All-in-One Multi-Surface Cleaner. The Bissell CrossWave is a lightweight, 2-in-1 vacuum and mop that gently cleans low-pile area rugs with a soft microfiber and nylon brush. It works well on bare floors and can pick up dry debris, wet messes, and clean stains from hard flooring. Unlike most other combo vacuum mops, this model doesn't have a self-cleaning function, but it's still easy to clean. The CrossWave allows you to control how much water and cleaning solution it dispenses with the click of a button, and its 2-tank technology stores dirty water and clean soapy water separately. It also has easy reach controls, and its included drip tray makes storage simple. The machine's 25-feet power cord allows for cleaning every inch of your living room. Number 4. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. The professional-style carpet cleaning machine featured in the paragraph is user-friendly and has large 1.75-gallon tanks that are easy to fill, carry, and replace. It has a spinning flow indicator that indicates when the cleaning solution needs refilling, and its adjustable handle moves to the most comfortable position for each user and folds for easier storage. The machine weighs over 40 pounds, making it difficult to move on multiple levels. A rotating brush roll and strong suction work together to remove deep-down dirt and leave test carpets feeling soft and not overly wet. Additionally, the machine has an extra long 25-feet power cord and a 9-feet hose and handheld stain tool that are perfect for cleaning upholstery and stair treads. Number 3. Hoover SmartWash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover SmartWash Pet Pro is a full-size carpet cleaner with an added stain pretreatment wand. Rated highly for its ease of use and suction power, it dispenses a premixed combo of water and cleaning formula when pushed forward and dries the carpet when pulled back. It also has a dry-only mode that uses heat force technology to release heat as it moves forward, and an 8-feet hose and 22-feet cord for cleaning large rooms. Number 2. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser PowerBrush Plus. The Bissell Portable Carpet Cleaner was rated best overall in a recent test for stain and odor removal, sound, and runtime. It is cordless and runs for 20 minutes on one charge, making it easy to use for small messes. It comes with a built-in rotating brush and a nubby rubber pet tool to clean pet messes, and it is easy to switch off when cleaning delicate fabrics. However, it doesn't have a built-in water heater and only has a 20-minute runtime for every 4.5 hours of charging. Despite this, it is still a great option for homes with less carpeting and upholstery to clean. Number 1. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell ProHeat 2X line has been a top performer for over a decade, and its heatwave technology maintains the temperature of hot water, contributing to its stellar cleaning performance. This updated model has not been tested yet, but the brand's performance is trusted. The cleaner has a targeted spray nozzle for stains and a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool for removing stubborn pet hair and wet stains. The dual dirt lifter PowerBrush helps remove tough stains from deep in carpets, and the brush roll cover removes for cleaning. However, it does not have onboard tool storage.